And what is the fundamental stuff of the universe, if not matter? If there is almost no substance to our seemingly solid, tangible world, what causes the illusion? German physicist Hans-Peter Dürr keenly noted, "Matter is not made of matter." So what is it made of? David Icke wrote, "For a start, what we perceive to be physical and solid is anything but. Science says that what we see as form, people, buildings, landscape, etc., are made of atoms. Okay, but the trouble with the solid world theory is that atoms are not solid. More than that, they are basically empty. How can something that is not solid create a solid environment? It can't. Atoms consist of electrons orbiting a nucleus, protons and neutrons, but it is the proportions that tell the story. Atoms are more than 99% empty space to our human reality, yet they are described as the fundamental building blocks of matter, yes, solid matter." Aaron Adani wrote, "Examine each part of the cabin. The walls are made of wood. What makes wood what it is? A configuration of wood cells exist as a log, and each of these cells cannot exist without a configuration of molecules. Likewise, each molecule is composed of atoms. Each atom contains electrons, protons, and neutrons. Each atomic particle is composed of quarks, etc., etc., etc. Everything can be broken down into parts. Even if somehow a thing was found that could not be broken down, it would still have parts, because if it did not, it could not be used to make more complex things. Anything that has spatial extent requires that it has a front, a back, a shape, different parts. At the level of atoms, the distance from one atom to another in relationship to the diameter of the nucleus of the atom is astronomical. There is more emptiness in the atoms composing the wall of a cabin than there is matter. And this goes for all matter. All matter is mostly emptiness. What prevents your hand, for example, from passing through a wall is not that there is some thing or things, atoms, in the way, but more so because there is an atomic energy field that prevents the atoms from one's hand to pass by the atoms of the wall. When touching a wall with your hand, both the wall and your hand are composed of 99.9999999% empty space, so your sensation of touching something comes not from physically